Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss the elements of a floor plan for our week 7 to 8 topic. To start with, let us answer the question, what is a floor plan? So when we say of a floor plan, it is a type of drawing that shows you the layout of a home or property. Floor plans typically illustrate the location of the walls, windows, doors, and stairs, as well as fixed installations such as the bathroom, fixtures, kitchen cabinets, and the appliances. So floor plans are usually drawn to scale and will indicate room types, room sizes, and the wall lengths. So they may also show furniture layouts and include outdoor areas. The floor plan is a drawn to scale bird's eye view of a structure. So when we say of a bird's eye view, it pertains to the general view from above, or shall we say, it is being projected from above, which shows the relationships between rooms, the spaces, traffic patterns, and other physical features. This is also called plan, which may also include notes for construction to specify finishes, construction methods, or symbols for electrical items. Floor plan also is not limited to the bedroom spaces, traffic patterns, and other measurements. We can also reflect the construction methods or symbols for electrical items and other items for the construction. We can also add notes at the upper right corner. So the plan is projected or drawn at the floor height vertical position of about 4 feet or 1.2 meters, depending on the standard we are following. Objects below this level are seen. Objects at this level are shown cut in plan section, and objects above this vertical position within this structure are omitted. In drawing floor plan, we have 2D floor plans and 3D floor plans. Now, when we say of 2D floor plan, it is a type of diagram that shows the layout of a space from above, including the walls and rooms. 2D means the floor plan is a flat drawing without perspective or depth. And when we say of 3D floor plan, it is a type of diagram that shows the layout of a home or property in 3D. So 3D means the floor plan shows both perspective and height. So unlike a 2D floor plans, a 3D floor plan has more detail and makes it easier to understand the space. As you observed in this slide, we have the 2D floor plan, and this is an example of a 3D floor plan which the depth is projected. Now let's move on to the importance of floor plan design. Floor plans are essential when designing and building structures, particularly homes. A good floor plan can increase the enjoyment of the home by creating a nice flow between spaces and can even increase its resale value. Now, what are the key characteristics of a good floor plan? So these are the key characteristics of a good floor plan. We have the versatile and flexible. We have the ideal room layout. Good spacing, of course, this is an important characteristic in a floor plan. Fit to priorities and lifestyle. And last, the balanced architectural details and practical considerations. Now, let's move on to the key elements of a floor plan. So we have the units. Of course, when we are constructing a floor plan, units is very important. We can use the mm, or we can use the meters, the inches, or the feet. In these units, we can also use the scale of 1:100 or 1:1, since this 1:100 and 1:1 commonly used scaling in the industry. Now let's move on to the walls. When we are constructing a floor plan, one important factor is to consider the detail of the walls and its measurement, so that when we are on the construction phase, our workers will easily understand the plan. Now let's move on to the doors and windows. One important key element of a good floor plan is to project or reflect the doors and windows of the floor plan. Now let's move on to the blocks. So blocks are the bed, the kitchen bowl, the tables, chairs, and other furnitures you wanted to place in your floor plan. It is important for the designers to decide where to place these blocks to have a good spacing. Next, the text. So these texts are the details, say for example the bedroom 1, air vent, toilet, bedroom 2, the drawing room, the dining room, and the kitchen, to reflect the parts of the floor plan. We can also add notes Say for example, this one here, we have the exterior wall thickness is 10 inches. The interior wall thickness is 6 inches. Next, the hatches. So you can choose any hatches that you want, any color. And the last one is the dimension. Dimension is very important in a good floor plan since it will indicate the measurement of each part, the length of the floor plan, the height of the floor plan, and the dimensions of your bedrooms and the kitchen, as well as the dining room and for your drawing room. This is an example of a 2D floor plan. So they projected the dimensions here, also the blocks. We have the toilet bowl and other furnitures here. They also included the walls, the hatches, and the units. This is also another example of a 2D floor plan. And this is an example of a 3D floor plan. 3D floor plan looks amazing since it projects the depth of your floor plan and as well as the 3D of the furnitures. So you will have the 3D modeling during your 9th to 10th week of this course. Also another example of a 3D floor plan. So that's all for now. Thank you.